Okay, folks, you join me in the 2013 Volkswagen Passat. This is an SE model with no sunroof, and we have a little bit of a problem. 120,000 miles. Visor has held up great, except we have a floppy visor right now because the clip behind here is broken. So what we're going to do today is attempt a quick fix. I bought a brand new Volkswagen OEM part from Quirk Parts. It was pretty inexpensive. I'll throw a link in the description. So we'll go ahead and get this replaced real quick. Shouldn't take more than a minute. You can see right here we have one broken clip, and if I compare that to the passenger side, you can see how it's supposed to kind of stick out and around, and the visor just kind of clips in nicely like that. Here, the clip piece broke off. So the steps to replace are quite simple. We just need to pull this outer trim off and then pull the inner clip out, replace with a new inner clip, and then put this back. So let's get started on that. I have the one tool I need, which is just a mini screwdriver or mini pry driver, as some people call it. And I think what I'm going to try to do is just peel gently, just torque this ever so gently inside. Okay, we'll try to go from the outside here. The key is to not break it. Plan B, we're going to get a larger screwdriver so we don't put quite so much force in one spot. We can spread it out across this larger piece and hopefully get a better pull. Okay, we're back. I grabbed a broader screwdriver, which we'll try first, and then a couple of pry tools, which we'll try next. It really doesn't want to come out. All right, I found with some very careful prying with my pry tool in the back and now maybe in the front is getting this to want to pop off. It's holding on pretty tight, but it did make a couple of popping sounds. Yeah, it's definitely looser. There we go. Came right off. Boy, it needed some convincing. The good news is this piece does seem to be in one piece, which is great, so we can reuse it. We'll set that down. Now I think all I need to do is just very gently pull this out. Great. You can see it's just these clips, big side and little side. Let's get the new one, which is right here. Sorry for the low light, but it is kind of a stormy day. And we're just going to go ahead and set that in nicely. Great. That just went right in easily. Yeah, I don't think there's anything more to it than that. And finally, we'll take our cover that we're going to reuse. Big side on the right, I believe. Big side on the right. Go ahead, push that right up. Oh yeah. Yeah, that is in there good. Good tight click. Let's go ahead and close this. Awesome. Done. No more wobbly mirror. Nice and tight. Okay, took a couple minutes longer than I thought. We did have to just carefully convince this clip to come out the cover, but we did. We got it replaced. Awesome. And this thing will be good for another 120,000 miles. And whenever this one breaks, we'll know how to do it. Have a good one. Thanks.